In this video, we will learn how to insert custom bullets in Microsoft Word. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open your document. Launch Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to insert custom bullets. Step 2. Select the text you want to apply custom bullets to. Highlight the list for which you want to apply custom bullets. Step 3. Access the bullet library. Navigate to the Home tab on the ribbon. Click the small arrow beside the bullets button in the paragraph group to open the bullet library. Step 4. Define new bullet. In the drop-down menu, select Define New Bullet. Step 5. Choose bullet type. In the Define New Bullet dialog box, click on Symbol to choose a symbol as a bullet, or click on Picture to use an image as a bullet. Step 6. Apply the custom bullet. Once you've selected your custom bullet, click OK to apply it to your selected text. Step 7. Adjust bullet size or color, optional. If needed, you can customize the bullet size or color by accessing the bullet formatting options. Your custom bullets should now be applied to your list in the document. Thank you for watching.